guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have yet another headband wig for you guys. So stick around and stay tuned, and let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so today's wig comes from Formal Hair, and this one is supposed to be a kinky straight natural headband wig. This is what it looks like, and this is what the headband looks like. Of course, they have the Velcro strap for the back. So this one has 4 comb attachments. It says it's a kinky straight headband wig, human hair. It is 150 density, and I got it in 18 inches long. The brand name here is Formal Hair. It is a headband human hair wig. It is in a natural color. It's a Brazilian virgin kinky straight wig. And the cap size they have as medium, which is 21.5. It has an elastic net. They also say that it's easy to wear. You can make an updo or a ponytail, and you can show your own natural hairline. It is in the color 1B black, okay? All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. And it also has adjustable straps in here too, if I didn't say that, so you guys can see. It's adjustable. So far, I really do like this wig, and it is very full. I really like that it is very natural looking. It has a nice shine to it, but it's not too shiny to the point it looks unrealistic. I really like that. It is a very natural color as well, so it's not super dark black. I like that. It's just a slight bit darker than my natural hair. Okay, and then also they send along 2 headbands to go with it. I already wore this one on a previous wig, so just so you know, this came with this wig, not that wig. Because I wore the green one already, I'm gonna go ahead and put this yellow one on. Guys, so I would just have to say I really do like this hair. I know that was a lot of release just now, but I do really like this hair, guys. I love it. Actually, it looks just like blown out natural hair. Honestly, it looks really good. I love it. Like I said, it is a natural color. It has a natural shine. It looks just like natural hair. Yeah, so it did say it is human hair, and then it also said yaki, so I'm really not too sure. But overall, I really do like this hair. I like the way it looks on me. This hair is this wig is very full though. It is very full. Not that it's a bad thing though. It's very dense, and I would definitely try straightening it. Right now I am enjoying this volume. You could definitely do something like, I seen one girl and she did like a flexi rod set or something with the wig, and it came out really cute. It had some really nice curls in it. Actually, the lady I'm thinking about is the natural hair guru herself, Natural 85. She did that with one of her, was it a headband wig? I think it was a headband wig actually. So that was really cool. So I may try something like that. I might try flat ironing it. I'm not sure. I'm gonna play around with this wig, but this one is definitely another wig that's here to stay. I like the other wigs, but I think that headband wigs are more suitable for somebody like me, because I do not like playing around with leave out, and I don't like playing around with lace. I just want something I could just slap on and go, honestly, really and truly. So I like a natural wig and something that can, you know, look like my natural hair. Now my hair is not this long, we get in there, but this is really nice. So this wig is 18 inches. Honestly, it feels a little bit longer than that to me, but I'm gonna show you guys how long it goes. Whew, I hope you can see that, because I can't do it again. My knees hurt. Okay. But yeah, I really like this wig, guys. This is definitely a keeper. I love it. And I like the little texture that it has up here. Definitely feels like human hair to me. As far as tangling goes, I'm not getting a lot of tangles. I'm able to run my hands through this hair just fine. Shedding, very, very minimal. Sometimes I get a couple pieces of hair. Very little, like 1 or 2. Nothing too crazy. Like, it's not going bald on me. Literally just now I ran my hands through. I probably got like 1 strand and that was running through on both sides. So you're not going to deal with a whole lot of shedding with this hair, and nor are you going to deal with a whole lot of tangling. You're going to get a really nice natural look. It is a great protective style, guys. I love these headband wigs because you really can just cover everything up. You could even leave your edges up and covered if you want to as well. I love the material of the headbands that they have sold on. It definitely feels like it would be very gentle on your edges, so you don't have to play around with your edges and leave them out if you don't want to. You could put those away as well, and all of your hair is protected. I really like this. This is not really a con. It doesn't bother me, but some of the headband that is attached to the wig is poking out a little bit. I think it's just this headband might not be as wide as that green one I had. Like this one was much wider and it covered up. I think if I put this one on, it would definitely cover that space up, but this one is not as wide. And I did try to tug on it and pull it and like stretch it out a little bit, and it still wasn't giving that much. So yeah, this one's just not as wide as this one, and that's okay. It's not bothering me. It's not a big deal. Still cute. I still like it. If you are somebody who likes really big hair, you will definitely love this hair. It's really big and it's long. And at first I was like, is my head a little too small for this? Like, I don't have a small head. Like I said, I got a medium sized head, and for a second I thought my head might be too small for this. It's a lot of hair, guys. This is a lot of hair, okay? You guys know this is mainly a natural hair channel, and this is a very natural wig. I would love to like braid it up or something, have like some crimps or something. There's so much you could do with this wig. I love it. I love it. You could do a flexi rod set, you could braid it up. I wouldn't say twist it up. The options are endless, honestly. Alright guys, so I just want to say thank you to Formal Hair for sending over this unit. I absolutely love this wig, and thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.